Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 5. Name of the chapter is fractions and this is our lecture 3. Today's subtopics are addition and subtraction of fractions. Exercise 5a, question number 10, A and B parts we will do. Exercise 5b, question 1, A, C and J parts and question 2, A, B and C parts we will do. So let's start with exercise 5a, question number 10. Arrange the following in descending order. A part 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Now look here, 1 whole number and remaining 3 are fractions. We have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Okay. So let's start the solution. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So the given terms are 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Now we have to arrange in descending order. When the numerators are same, then we will check the denominators. Okay. So when the numerators are same, then the fractional number that has smaller denominator is greater. So let's check the fraction number with the smaller denominator, that is 1. 1 upon 1 will be the first term. Then 2. So 1 upon 2 will be the second term. After that, after 2 the next is 5. The smaller number is 5. After 2 the next is 5. So 1 upon 5 will be taken as a third term. And then 1 upon 7 as fourth term. So descending order is 1 upon 1. In original form it is 1 only. So we will write down descending order is equal to 1 is greater than 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 5. And 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 7. So here we have written the descending order. Now question number 10, B part. The terms are 1, 3 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 8 upon 9. Now denominator 9, 9, 9 and here it is 1. So 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. We are multiplying it with 9 upon 9. We are multiplying with the same digit. Numerator is multiplied by 9, denominator is also multiplied by 9. So there is no change in the given term. Okay. The other terms are 3 upon 9, 2 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. So the next step will become 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 9, 9. So it is 9 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 2 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. Now see, denominators are same. Now we have to check the numerators of the fractional numbers. When the denominators are same, then the fractional number that has greater numerator is greater. Understood? So we have to arrange in descending order. Decreasing order means bigger to smaller. So the bigger one is 9 upon 9. After that next will be 8 upon 9. Next will be 3 upon 9. And the last will be 2 upon 9. But 9 upon 9 in original form it is 1. So descending order is 1 is greater than 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9 is greater than 3 upon 9. 3 upon 9 is greater than 2 upon 9. And subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions we will do in exercise 5b. Our first question is add or subtract. Our first question is 2 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3. Before solving this, I want to ask you, do you know how to convert mixed fraction into improper? Yes? Say this part and then tell me. 2 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. And how to write down this into improper fraction? See, 2 denominator will be multiplied with the whole number. 2 multiplied 2 plus numerator will be added. Upon denominator 2 will be written below the bar. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5. 5 upon 2. This is the way in which we can convert mixed fraction into improper. Right? Now come back to our question. 2 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 upon 3. So now denominators are 3 and 3. So the LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. Okay. 3 divide 3, 1. 7 multiply 1 is 7. 3 divide 3. Denominators will be divided by the denominator. Whatever quotient we are getting will be multiplied with the numerator. So 3 divide 3, 1. 1 multiply 10, 10. So 7 plus 10, 17. 17 upon 3. Now 17 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 17 minus 15, 2. And now mixed fraction form is 5 2 by 3, which is our Q whole R upon D form. 5 whole 2 by 3. It is 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 3 is changed into 5 whole 2 by 3. Now first question C part. 6 upon 1 plus 3 upon 5. Denominators are 1 and 5. So LCM of 1 and 5. Denominators का हम निकालेंगे LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now denominator will become 5. 5 divided by 1. Quotient is 5. So this quotient will be multiplied with the numerator. 6 into 5. Now 5 divide 5, 1. 1 will be multiplied with the numerator. 6 5s are 30. 3 1s are 3 upon 5. This step is not necessary to write down. Okay, if you're writing it's okay. And if you're doing orally, as I explained you in the A part, if you're doing orally then also it is okay. 30 plus 3, 33 upon 5. Now 33 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 33 minus 30, 3. So our mixed fraction form will become 6 whole 3 by 5. Understood? When it is improper fraction, we have to do division and convert it into mixed fraction. Right? So I have explained you this in A part orally, and in B part I have written here. It is up to you. If you are writing then also it's okay. If you are doing orally then also it is okay. Now let's move to our J part. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 8. Now see the denominators. We have to do addition. So we will check first denominators 4, 3, 8. Denominators are different. So we will find out the LCM. LCM of 4, 3 and 8. First of all you will start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 will be written same. 2 4s are 8. And 2 1s are 2. 3 will be written as such. 2 2s are 4. Then 2, 1, 3, 2 1s are 2. And now 3, 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1. So LCM of 4, 3 and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's start our J part. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3 plus 7 upon 8. We have to do addition of these fractions. So see the denominators 4, 3, 8. Denominators are different. So we will find out the LCM first. 4, 3, 8. So 4 and 2. So we will start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 will be written same. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2. 3 will be written same. 2 2s are 4. Then 2, 1, 3 will be written. 2 1s are 2. And at last 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 4, 3 and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now we will take denominator 24. And now 24 divided by 4, our answer is 6. 6 will be multiplied with numerator, that is 1. 24 divided by 3, answer is 8. 8 multiplied 2. 24 divided by 8, answer is 3. 3 multiplied by 7. So 6 1s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 7 3s are 21. So 6 plus 16 plus 21 upon 24. So add these. 6 plus 16, 22. 22 plus 21, 43. 43 upon 24. Okay. Now when we will divide 43 by 24. 24 ones are 24. 13 minus 4, 9. And 3 minus 2, 1. So now mixed fraction form is 1 whole 19 by 24. So after doing the division in rough column, we will write down 1 whole 19 by 24. Right? Now our next question is question number 2. Insert plus or minus. In the box we will insert. A part is there 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 8. It is clear from here 1 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 8 because 1 plus 2 will become 3. Denominators will not be added here because denominator 8 and 8 will make the LCM 8. Clear? So we will put plus sign here. B part 15 upon 16, 1 upon 16 is equal to 7 upon 8. First of all, beta, ye dhyan dijiye 16 is changed into 8. Okay. So if we are doing 15 plus 1, that is 16 upon 16. 16 upon 16 will give you the answer 1. But we want 7 upon 8. So when we are inserting minus sign, 15 minus 1, because denominators are same, we will subtract numerators only. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 upon 16. 14, 16 both are divisible by 2. So when we are cutting it with 2 or when we are dividing with 2, we will get 7 here and 16 divided by 2, 8. So it is converted into 7 upon 8. So we will insert minus sign here. Clear? Next is our C part. 1 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. 3 numbers are there. Okay. If we are putting minus sign here, suppose here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 21, 21, 21 will not give you answer 3. So if we are putting plus sign, then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 upon 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So now we are getting correct answer 1 upon 3. In this part, if we are putting minus sign here, then we will get 4 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. But denominator will be 21, 21, 21. So 1 upon 21 is not our right hand side. And if you are putting minus sign here, then again 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. 1 upon 21. We want 1 upon 3. That's why we have inserted plus sign in both the boxes. Only with the plus signs we are getting 7 upon 21, which will be changed into 1 upon 3. So is it clear? No confusion is there, na? Okay, right. Now let's do one word problem. Anu walks 4 upon 7 kilometer and Tanu walks 8 upon 9 kilometer. Who walks more and by how many kilometers? So the question is saying that Anu 4.7 किलोमीटर वॉक करती है, चलती है, और तनु 8.9 किलोमीटर. तो किसने हु वॉक मोर ज्यादा वॉक की और कितने किलोमीटर ज्यादा की? अंडरस्टूड? सो in this from this question it is clear that first of all we have to tell who walk more means comparison is there, and after that how much, kitna, then we will do subtraction. Okay, so let's start our solution. Anu walks the distance 4.7 kilometer. Tanu walks the distance, these are 2 marks, you can also put 8.9 kilometer. Now to tell who walks more, we will do comparison. Anu 4.7 and Tanu 8.9. 4 9s are 36, 7 8s are. This is the method of comparison by cross multiplying. Okay. So 36 and 56. 56 is more than 36 and 56 kilometers walked by Tanu. So Tanu 56 is more. Okay. So what we will write down? Tanu walks more distance. And how much? Tanu walks more distance by 8 upon 9 minus 4 upon 7 kilometer. Okay. Now see denominators 9 and 7. So we will take LCM of the denominators first. LCM of 7, 9 and 7. So 9 and 7, these are co-prime to each other. So their LCM is their product. 9 7s are 63. Now denominator is 63. 63 divided by 9. 7s are, 9 7s are 63. So 8, numerator will be multiplied with the quotient, that is 7, minus 63 divided by 7. We will get quotient 9. So 4 multiplied by 9. 8 into 7 minus 4 into 9. And denominator will be 63. That is the LCM. Now 8 7s are 56. 4 9s are 36. 56 minus 36 will give you the answer 20. So our fraction will become 20 upon 63 kilometer. So at last we will write down Tanu walks more by 20 upon 63 kilometer. Understood? Now it's time to take homework. Homework is solve question 1, I, K and L parts of exercise 5B in your notebook and learn table of 17. From 5B exercise you will do these parts in your notebook, and side by side you have to revise the tables also. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 2. So open your practice notebooks and pick your pen. You have to do your work with pen. Some students are sending me the homework by doing with pencil. Okay, so do practice of doing the work with pen. Homework was given to you question number 3, A to E parts of exercise 5A. Question 3, write the following as improper fractions. 2 whole 1 by 2. So 2 multiplied 2 plus 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 upon 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. So 2 whole 1 by 2 is changed into 5 upon 2. Now our B part, 9 whole 1 by 7. 9 sevens are, or we can say 7 nines are. Both are correct. 7 nines are plus 1. 9 into 7 plus 1 upon 7. 63 plus 1 upon 7. 64 upon 7. Next part is 8 1 by 3. 8 whole 1 by 3. 8 multiply 3 plus 1 upon 3. 8 multiply 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 upon 3, that is 25 upon 3. Next is our D part. 20 whole 1 upon 5. 5 into 20, or we can say 20 into 5 plus 1. Numerator is 1 upon 5. 25s are 100 plus 1, 101. 101 upon 5 is your answer. Now, third question E part. 4 whole 3 upon 11. These all are mixed fractions and we are converting these into improper fractions. Right? 4 multiplied by 11 plus the numerator, it is 3 upon 11. Denominator will not change. Denominator is always 11 in all the steps. 11, 11, 11, 11. Okay. Now 4 into 11 is 44. 44 plus 3 upon 11. 44 plus 3 is 47 upon 11. So 4 whole 3 upon 11 is changed into 47 upon 11. Right? Have you got the correct answers? Yes? It's okay. If you have not got any answer correct, then you have to do the correction work. And better, make sure that you are submitting the homework on time, because I am getting most of the homework which is of previous date. So submit the work on time. Table of 16 was given for learning. Have you learned? Okay, then revise with me. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 34. Mama said correct? No, na? 34 is 17 twos are. So start. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Done? Let's revise one time again. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Revised? Okay, very good. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel and share the videos to your friends and relatives. Thank you.